Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Electric e-bikes, the most accessible and adventurous e-bikes ever. Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Lightspeed Racing, ultra lightweight wheels. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
Here in the lab at NHOU Protective Coatings, Joe DuPont is always working on improving the product. But Joe, products aren't the only thing you're working on all the time here at the business.
No, we're actually going to try to improve the customer experience along with the comprehensive packages. So we're going to now get into franchising. And we're going to offer that in a couple of different ways. We're going to have a brick and mortar franchise. We're going to set up similar to this. And we're going to offer mobile undercoating franchises where you can buy the package complete, ready to go. Somewhere in the vicinity of about $60,000. But we're not just going to offer them a ready-made, fairly successful business model. We're trying to partner now, and we're very close to partnering with DECA. We're going to offer them financial literacy, time management, customer service. We're going to give them ongoing educational training on how to be successful. So if they start off as a mobile, like many of our mobile dealers have, they will likely evolve into a brick and mortar. And we're going to give them the financial wherewithal to be able to do that.
And how do you give them a financial start as well? You're giving them all the training and everything.
First off, we're going to have a package that's going to run probably $60,000, and we're going to finance at no interest charge half of that. At less than the cost of a trade school, you can get a ready-made business. And this is an industry that has very huge potential. The growth for us has been, if you take the whole of our existence, double every year.
Your motivation is not really to make money for Joe DuPont. Your motivation is to help other people, and that's one thing I really love about the way you operate.
Actually, when I looked at the business model, I was not excited about just doing this for people that wanted financial gain. I'm sure I can make a lot of money with them, but I'm really passionate about helping, especially the younger generation, become leaders, entrepreneurs, successful, self-sufficient, independent, and that's almost pay enough for me, but we will make money because we are a successful business model.
Well, this is a family-run business here at NHOU Protective Coatings, and you can become part of the family too. Go to NHOiLUndercoating.com and find out how. At DragonfireTools.com, you can find the tool storage solution that is right for you. Lou, how does it become more versatile when you start marrying everything together?
This year, we've come up with some new products. One of the new products is this lower corner unit and this upper corner unit. So if you're trying to come along two walls in your shop or garage, you're going to be able to marry a workbench to the corner unit on either side, and you fill that space effectively.
And I love this. You're talking efficiency. If you're a pro, of course, time is money. And you can bring your workpiece. If you're working on an engine, you bring it right here, and everything you need is just a step away, which is wonderful. And then if you're at home too, it's compact. It brings all your tool storage together, and that maximizes your space as well.
Yeah, from the efficiency standpoint, having your workbench as your toolbox is definitely the way to go. No more walking back and forth and wasting all that time. Having your tools right where you're working at, that's efficient.
The workbenches are the centerpiece of what you do at DragonfireTools.com, and this is your most popular unit right there. Tell me about that.
So this is our 20-drawer Midnight Pro Series workbench. One of the innovative things about this workbench that we've changed for this past year is now we have 6 wide drawers in it. You have 2 thin drawers and you have 2 deep drawers in this workbench. You also have a 14-gauge tubular steel all-welded construction, a 304 stainless steel top, 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, and drawers rated for 200 and 400 pounds.
The workmanship is second to none, and a system like this is going to maximize your space and make your workday a lot more efficient. Go to DragonfireTools.com, find out what's right for you. And oh, by the way, there's a promo code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Promo code Motorhead will get you free shipping and a discount as well. Thanks for coming along with us here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Of course, we'll be here next week, and in the meantime, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. From our entire crew here at our Dragonfire Tools studio, we'll see you next time. So long.